Hi everyone, we are back again. With the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars in this daily newspaper of May the 9th. Yes, May the 9th on a Saturday. So let's get started with this second Sudoku. Alright. Let me see. We have a 1 in the first row, a 1 in the third row. So in the second row, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1. No 1 there, 1 should be here. Then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 in these two boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there, but I see here 5. No 5 there, 5 should be here. I cannot continue with the 5. Oh yes, here 5 in this column, 5 in the third column. So in the second column, the only place for the 5 should be there. And then how about 3? Yes, these 3 boxes, the empty boxes of the third row, the missing numbers are the 3, the 6, and the 9. 3, 6, 9. We see here the 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. The 6 and the 9 are left. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Okay. 2, 3. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are the 3, the 4, and the 8. I see here 4, so no 4 there. I see here 3, no 3 there. 1 digit left for this box should be the 8. Here we have the 3 and the 4. I marked them, 3 and a 4. That means 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. These two numbers in the first row are the numbers 9 and 2. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And then 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so on the row below, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here or there. I see here 3, no 3 there. I cannot fill this yet. Same like there. So I mark them 3, 3. How about the 4, the 6, the 9? Ooh. Yes, in this row, the 4 missing numbers are, one of them missing number is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. We see here 9, no 9 there. We see in the first column, no 9 there. One place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. How about yes, 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here or there. I see here 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there. Only 1 place for the 5 should be there. 1 of the missing numbers in this big square is the number 8. I see here an 8, no 8 there, here 8, no 8 there. 1 place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 1 goes there. Then 6, 2. Yes, 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. And then 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 4 and 9. No, we have a 4 here. The 8 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. We have an 8 here, so no 8 in this box. Should be the 2. There should be the 8. 1 box left in this column for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for a 6 is here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Two numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8, we have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And now, two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and 4, I mark this. How about these three numbers? 1, the 2 is missing. In this row, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. One place left for the 2, should be there. The other two numbers are the 9 and the 4. The 9 and the 4. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 4 goes there. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. We have a 3 here, so no 3 here. 3 goes there. Two numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Two numbers left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Wow. For a Sudoku, 2 stars and very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file if you like to solve the puzzle or to make this puzzle. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku, a Sudoku with 4 stars. Thank you, and bye bye for now.